JBL's most powerful soundbar yet. But is it really the best? I tested it for weeks, and here's what most reviewers won't tell you. True wireless surround, finally. No wires. No setup hassle. Just detach the rear speakers, place them anywhere, and boom. Instant surround sound. But is it really better than virtual surround? In action scenes like John Wick, the rear effects are stunning, but hold on, there's a big catch, more on that later. 12-inch subwoofer, bass that shakes your walls. This sub doesn't just thump, it earthquakes. Bass test, Blade Runner 2049 versus Interstellar. This thing rattles furniture. If you love chest-pounding bass, you'll adore this. But your neighbors? Not so much. Dolby Atmos that mostly works. Unlike fake Atmos soundbars, JBL packs real up-firing drivers. And yes, you can hear the height effects. Helicopter flying overhead? You feel it. It's not quite a full home theater setup, but for a soundbar, damn close. Battery life on rear speakers, big problem. JBL claims 10 hours of battery, but at high volume, more like 6 to 7. Forget to charge them? No surround sound for you. Imagine, epic battle scene, then silence. Game over. It's massive. Will it even fit your room? This isn't just a soundbar, it's a home theater disguised as one. Compared to a Sonos Beam, it's a monster. Measure your space first. No Wi-Fi streaming. Seriously, JBL? For $1,300, you'd expect AirPlay 2 or Chromecast. But nope. Your only option? Bluetooth. And for high-res audio? That's a problem. Movies, almost perfect for blockbusters. Dolby Atmos movies shine. Dune, Mad Max, Top Gun, pure cinematic power. Immersion score, JBL 9.5/10 versus Samsung Q990C 9 out of 10. Dialogue is crystal clear. No muddy voices like some bass-heavy soundbars. Music, not the strongest. Bass, overpowering. Mids and vocals? Get lost. No Wi-Fi streaming? Annoying. For music lovers? A 7 out of 10 at best. Gaming, low latency but missing a feature. PS5 and Xbox gamers, listen up. Almost zero lag. Explosions hit hard. No dedicated gaming mode like Samsung. Solid for gaming, but not the best. Final verdict. Should you buy it? Buy this if you want true wireless surround without messy cables. You crave deep, earth-shaking bass. You're a movie lover who wants that full cinematic experience. Skip this if you hate charging speakers. Rear batteries don't last forever. You want Wi-Fi streaming, AirPlay/Chromecast missing. You live in an apartment. Your neighbors will call the cops. Final verdict. Best for movies, but not perfect. What's next? Would you buy the JBL Bar 1300X? Comment below. And here's the big question. Does the Samsung Q990D destroy this? Find out in our next video.